Most people get this wrong when trying to cancel DashPass, and they end up getting charged again, even after they think the subscription is gone. Here's the truth no one tells you. Canceling DashPass is not complicated, but it depends on where you originally signed up and how fast you act before the renewal date. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to cancel DoorDash DashPass in 2026 step by step, whether you subscribed on Android, iPhone, or the website. And by the end, you'll know how to stop future charges without confusion or mistakes. Let's get straight into it. First, open your DoorDash app. This is your starting point. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now, go to Manage DashPass. This is where your subscription settings are stored. Now here's where most people make a mistake. They look for a cancel button immediately and get lost in menus. But DashPass is hidden inside subscription settings, not the general settings section. Once you open Manage DashPass, you will see your current plan details, billing cycle, and next payment date. Now here's the key moment. Tap on End Membership or Cancel Subscription. DoorDash may try to offer you discounts or pause options instead of canceling. This is normal. It is designed to keep you subscribed. But if your goal is to cancel, ignore those offers and continue. Now confirm your cancellation. At this point, many users think the process is done. But here's where it gets interesting. Even after canceling, you still keep DashPass benefits until the end of your billing cycle. So if you were charged on the 10th, you will still enjoy free delivery benefits until that period expires. This is why people think they are still being charged, but they are not. Now let's talk about a very important situation. If you subscribe through Apple or Google, the process is slightly different. This is where most people get confused and accidentally get billed again. If you are on iPhone, open Settings, tap your Apple ID, then go to Subscriptions. Find DoorDash DashPass in the list and cancel it from there. If you skip this step, Apple may continue billing you even if you canceled inside the app. If you are on Android, open the Google Play Store, tap your profile icon, go to Payments and Subscriptions, then Subscriptions. Find DashPass and cancel it from there. Now here's a retention tip you need to pay attention to. Always check your email after cancellation. You should receive a confirmation message from DoorDash. If you don't receive it, your cancellation may not have gone through correctly. But here's where it gets even more important. If your next billing date is within 24 hours, cancel immediately. Waiting even a few hours can sometimes result in one more charge because the system may already be processing renewal. Another common mistake is deleting the DoorDash app. That does nothing. Your subscription is tied to your account, not your phone. So uninstalling the app will not stop billing. So let's quickly summarize everything. Open the DoorDash app or subscription store. Go to DashPass settings. Select Cancel or End Membership. Confirm it, and verify email confirmation. Always check where you originally subscribed, because that is where cancellation must happen. If you follow these steps correctly, you will stop unwanted charges and fully control your subscription without stress or confusion. Now you know exactly how to cancel DashPass in 2026 the right way. If this video helped you, like the video, share it with someone who might be getting charged unknowingly, and subscribe for more simple, step-by-step guides like this.